In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on Vrbo. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to the Vrbo website. It's your go-to place for booking unique vacation homes, beach houses, cabins, condos, and more. Once you are on the homepage, you'll find the Sign In option at the top of the page. Click on Sign In to log into your Vrbo account. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to do so, as this is a crucial step. Having an account ensures that you can manage your bookings effectively. Now that you are logged in, navigate back to the Vrbo homepage if you're not already there. This is where you'll start your search for the ideal vacation rental. To do this, go to the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of the page. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your desired location, dates, and the number of guests. This search feature is designed to tailor results to your specific travel needs, so choose wisely. Once you've entered this information, browse through the listings and select the one that suits you best. Choosing a booking is a fun part of the process, as you get to explore various properties and amenities. After making your selection, it's time to look into the payment options. Click on the payment method option provided for your chosen booking. Here you're likely to see several payment options. The flexibility that Vrbo provides in terms of payment makes it easier for travelers to handle their finances. Among these options, look for the one labelled Pay Over Time. This is the feature that allows you to use Affirm, enabling you to break down the total cost into manageable payments over a period that suits you. Once you select Pay Over Time, the system will guide you through the steps required to arrange monthly payments using Affirm. This might include verifying your eligibility and setting up an account if you haven't done so. Keep in mind, using Affirm is subject to credit approval, and the payment terms and rates can vary, so be sure to review these carefully before finalising your booking. And there you have it, a simple and convenient way to manage your vacation costs with Affirm on Vrbo. By following these steps, you can focus more on planning your vacation activities rather than worrying about how to pay for them all at once. Remember, taking your time to understand each step ensures a seamless booking experience. Enjoy your trip!